How to record the WhatsApp call also on the iPhone. First thing what you have to do, go to the control center, press it, and you will get the option of add a control. Go to the search control, click on local capture. Once you got the local capture, bring it to the normal. Now once you click on this local capture, you will have an option record your own audio and video during the call to save and edit later. You have the option of audio only. You can click on audio also and on and off also. Now, once you have enabled it, now if you want to record the call, first thing what you have to do is click here, start recording. Now is it start recording. Now what you can do is you have the WhatsApp call continue. And then once you record it, after that recording is finished, you can simply cancel the recording and the recording will be completely saved. That you can utilize it in future for editing. See you all in another video.